After 11 years of planting Streamside forests through its StreamCare program, the East Multnomah Soil and Water Conservation District plants its half a millionth plant. Lucas Knipp, StreamCare program manager, explains why planting Streamside forests is so important.
In this particular stream in Johnson Creek, we have Chinook, chum, coho salmon. Most of these streams that we work on are far too warm to be healthy for salmon. We're putting in these forests to create that shade and in the long term help bring the temperature of these creeks down to make them more healthy for those salmon that we know are in these watersheds but aren't having really healthy conditions. So the StreamCare program is a free streamside restoration program that works with private landowners along target streams to lower stream temperatures for clean water and healthy salmon. The StreamCare program is now in 6 watersheds. We've been working in 4 watersheds really diligently pretty much since about 2009. We worked on 27 stream miles. We worked with 200 private landowners to do that, and that's almost 800 acres of land that we've restored through this program.
Well, as somebody who is taking care of a small section of Johnson Creek, and my area of it is probably, oh golly, I'd guess an 1/8 of a mile only of creek. That's fine, and I can help to cool down the water there, but that's not going to do any good at all unless everybody else involves themselves in the same project, because this creek is miles long as it runs down to the Willamette River.
We enrolled 43% of the eligible stream miles in those 4 watersheds that we've been working in for a long time. That's a really impressive number for a voluntary program.
The East Multnomah Soil and Water Conservation District is a unit of local government that helps people care for land and water. The district covers all the land in Multnomah County east of the Willamette River. These special districts were created back in the 1930s all over the country after the Dust Bowl devastated soil and water throughout the Midwest. The East Multnomah District has been operating for decades in this capacity, but in 2004, voters in Multnomah County agreed to provide a steady tax base for this important work. Since then, StreamCare is just one of the programs that these dollars help fund. We also help to preserve agricultural land, train new farmers, help with weed mitigation, do educational workshops, and much more. And with a renewed commitment to both equity and mitigating the risks of climate change, our work continues to evolve. Since the beginning of the StreamCare program in 2009, East Multnomah Soil and Water Conservation District has contracted with crews for over 38,000 person hours and has been able to continue employing contractors safely through the COVID-19 epidemic. We thank our contractors for working with us through this difficult time.